Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this fingerprint doesn't match error on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So to fix this, first open the settings app. Now scroll down and tap on display. Now in this menu, make sure this eye comfort shield option is disabled. Sometimes this feature can interfere with your Samsung phone's fingerprint sensor. Now go back to the previous menu. Now scroll all the way down and tap on general management. Now in here, scroll down and tap on reset. Here you will need to scroll down again and tap on this reset accessibility. Now tap on this reset settings to confirm. A lot of users have reported fixing the issue with the fingerprint sensor by this method, so make sure to give it a try. However, if your fingerprint sensor still doesn't work, you can go to the security and privacy menu. Now in here, scroll down and tap on screen lock and biometrics. Now enter your PIN to verify your identity. Now in here, tap on fingerprints. Now here what you can do is add your same fingerprint multiple times. So what this will do is increase your chances of your fingerprint getting scanned easily. Finally, if nothing else works, there may be an issue with your phone's screen protector. So if you recently applied a new screen protector and the fingerprint sensor has stopped working after that, you will need to remove that screen protector and that will solve your problem. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.